Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel at Carog765, where we dive deep into classic and modern cars, and today we're looking at a vehicle that's all about power, versatility, and comfort. This is the 2019 Mercedes Benz Sprinter 3500 XD, and honestly, after spending some time with it, I can say this is one of the most impressive heavy-duty vans on the market in the United States. If you're curious whether this van is worth it for work, travel, or adventure, stick around, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Right off the bat, this van makes a statement. The moment you see it, you realize this isn't just a van, it's a machine built for durability, reliability, and a touch of luxury. Mercedes-Benz's signature design shines here, from the sleek front grille to the high roof and the large cargo doors. Whether you're using it for business, family trips, or even a camper conversion, the Sprinter 3500 XD looks professional and commanding from every angle. Let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2019 Sprinter 3500 XD packs a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. This engine delivers a smooth, powerful drive whether you're cruising down highways or maneuvering through city streets. The 7-speed automatic transmission keeps the ride effortless, and the suspension system is tuned so that even with a heavy load, your ride stays stable and smooth. Torque and fuel efficiency are balanced really well, making this van practical for long-distance drives or heavy-duty work. Inside, the Sprinter is surprisingly comfortable and spacious. The driver and passenger seats are ergonomic, designed to reduce fatigue on long trips. The dashboard is modern and loaded with features: a full infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. Safety tech is top-notch with lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and multiple airbags, making this van secure for both work and family use. The cabin feels functional and luxurious at the same time. The exterior design is equally impressive. The high roof, large cargo doors, and extended body make loading and unloading super easy. The van's presence on the road is commanding, and everything from the heavy-duty tires to the headlights screams quality and reliability. Whether you're running a business, traveling with family, or taking it on an adventure, the exterior handles it all. What really stands out about the Sprinter 3500 XD is versatility. It's not just a work van, it's capable of being a delivery vehicle, a mobile workshop, or even a fully customized camper van. People love converting these vans with a small kitchen, sleeping area, and storage for long road trips or van life adventures. Business owners also benefit hugely, whether transporting goods, doing mobile services, or running daily deliveries, this van makes it effortless. Its versatility is one of the biggest reasons it's so popular across the United States. Driving the Sprinter 3500 XD is smooth and reliable. The steering feels responsive, and the brakes are confident even with heavy cargo. On the highway, acceleration and handling are both impressive, and the overall ride is stable and controlled. The Mercedes-Benz luxury feel is evident everywhere, from the cabin materials to the smoothness of the ride. Even though it's a heavy-duty van, it never feels cumbersome. Price and availability are very reasonable for what you're getting. A new 2019 Sprinter 3500 XD in the United States typically costs between $45,000 and $70,000, depending on trim and options. Used models generally range from $30,000 to $55,000, and you can find them at dealerships or through online marketplaces across many states. Considering its reliability, durability, and performance, this van is a smart long-term investment. User reviews and experiences reinforce why this van is so appreciated. People love its durability, interior space, and versatility. Camper conversions, business uses, and long-distance travel all highlight how functional and comfortable this van is. It consistently ranks highly among heavy-duty vans in the US thanks to its reliability, build quality, and performance. Personally, what I love most about the Sprinter 3500 XD is the balance of power, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're running a business, planning an adventure, or simply need a reliable van for family travel, this vehicle handles everything with ease. Its interior, cargo capacity, engine performance, and overall build quality make it one of the top choices for anyone looking for a heavy-duty van in the US. So if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, Leave a comment letting me know which van or car you want me to cover next. And if you're new here, subscribe to @Karog765 and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'm @Karog765, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.